Yeah, I don't think I got that one. That was on the ground.
GoPro did.
The last one?
Yeah.
I don't know. Did you shoot all 3 shots at the left ones, or did you pull over and shoot at the right ones?
3 hard left and a pair out back and a group out front. If we do that again, I'm killing them. Coming back. Hard left.
I'm on him. I'm on him. Nice.
Good girl. My girl. Come here, girl. Come here. Right here. I know. They were a little far. I had to just break a wing. Back. Group coming from behind us off the lake.
Got a good hunt going. Camera's getting soaked. It's already messed up. Flashing clean ahead. It's about 40 mile an hour wind. Michigan, lake effect. Finally we get some winter weather though.
Yeah, February or January 31st. We're finally seeing winter. Like he said.
Go put the camera in.
You got chunks of snow in there. Man, this sucks. No, I mean it's a great hunt, but it's brutal on the equipment.
Bones, you cold? Buddy. You cold? These are snow squalls. All this for a goose. Can't even see the end of the decoys. Gun jam. She's frozen. Oh. God, that bolt won't even shut. That bolt won't even shut. Got any freeze-proof oil? I hear geese.
Huh?
I hear geese. Those came in pretty nice. Was that about a 40-yard shot?
Yeah, they came in nice till they flared. I'm gonna shoot it basically no matter where it ends up.
Alright, yeah, because I mean...
This gun ain't gonna work probably but one time.
Well, this camera's not gonna work anymore if we don't hurry up and get another kill.
Let's get out of here. Let's friggin' go get some warm food. Woo! They wanted to eat.
I think they're a little hungry.
Now it's our time to go eat. They know we're here. They just want to eat. It's freezing, blizzard. They see us.